Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on VIVO V29 Lite. Firstly, open up Google Wallet. Now tap on Install Wallet. Never mind, just tap on Not Now. Now tap on Add Wallet in the bottom right corner, Loyalty Card. Now choose from which company you would like to add a loyalty card. Now either scan the barcode or enter your member's ID manually by tapping on Enter Manually in the bottom right corner. Then enter your member ID and just tap on Add Wallet. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.